Hello amazing fellows. Recently I uploaded a project called Digital Eye, in which you can see the eye shot that I created simply in After Effects. Today I'm going to show you how I created this amazing 2D digital eye animation in After Effects without using any third-party plugins. Don't worry, if you are a beginner, I have simplified the steps so you can understand them properly without getting confused. I also share some cool tips and tricks in this tutorial, so hang in there. So let's start without any delay. Our design consists of three scenes: eye, inner eye elements, and background. First, we are going to focus on scene number 1, which is the eye. First, create a precomp and name it Digital Eye. Then create one more precomp and name it Eye. Drag it into your main comp, which is the Digital Eye. Let's create an eye with some cool shapes like circle. Tip number 1. You can create the eye shapes in Illustrator and import them into After Effects as shapes. For now, we are going to create the eye directly in After Effects to keep it simple. So let's take a circle shape and start making the eye. Once you are done with the design of the eye, let's animate it. For animation, you can play with path points and position animation. Tip number 2. You can control your path points by simply controlling them with nulls. It's a very handy and easy technique that every animator uses to control path points without any struggle. Select all the path points of the particular shape, go to the windows and select Create Null From Path. You will see a new window panel. Simply click on Point Follow Nulls. Now, you will see all the path points have their own null control. If you move your null, your path points will also move along with it. Now let's do some position animation on nulls and it will automatically animate the path points. So let's start the animation. You can see our eye animation is ready. Now let's jump to the scene number 2, which is the inner elements of the eye. I already have the scene, so I'm going to use it. You can replace any scene in your eye like a placeholder, like this, or this one. As of now, I'm going to use the scene I already created. You may notice the long elastic effect on each element, which I achieved through position animation and effect called echo. Tip number 3. Create a precomp like Full HD, create a box and do some simple position animation from left to right. Now add an effect called echo and set the value by your preference. You will see the result. With this technique, you can create awesome animation. Now back to scene number 2. Put the eye elements, which is scene number 2, below the eye precomp and go to the track matte and select alpha matte. You can see our animation looks really cool. Now let's create scene number 3, which is the background. Create a new precomp and name it background. Put it below. Now take a solid layer and color it blue. Add some textures and elements to it and play it with the blending modes and opacity. Now you can see a design and animation as the final output is ready. You can create this kind of animation by adding your own style and make some awesome motion graphics. If you like this tutorial, make sure you like, subscribe and share. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment. I'll definitely respond and try to make a tutorial on that. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.